Last and final quarter.
Defense now.
Wala.
Wala sa
Nice. Ay, wala.
Now to 10.
Wala.
There's a foul. Jersey number 54. Fourth personal foul.
Na.
Okay na ay makaroon ba itong na-excluded? Ay, manang.
Wala. 36, 39.
3.6. Good. Good luck. Kung sila pa ito? 20? 25? Third personal foul, jersey number 25. And seconds to shoot. Down to 5 seconds.
Wow.
Igual.
Wala.
Amoy lang, agawan sa rebound. Double kuya nakapulot. Aparon house, stop. Lose the gas.
Pagkasayang.
Aparon
Wow, pinaganda pa ni Paparon. Nice one.
basketball hot.
Nice yan, nice.
Jersey number 42, pushing foul. Good personal foul, Mr. Ikoy.
41-36. Nice. Wow! Steal, kay Malang. Ah! Kuya! Nasa likod ni mo! Ito sayang ka itong steal ni mo, oy. Na corner na to. Wala.
About the down for the foul.
Time out.
That's not that. Yes, now. 7 seconds to go. Out of hand. Asahan.
Yes! Nice, Kuya M! Nice!
In mellow.
44-36. Last 5 minutes.
Sugiyagaw. Francis Tegaro. 7 seconds to shoot. Out of hand.
Wow, nice.
Doon, gani.
7 seconds to shoot. Out of hand. Out of hand.
Ay, kasayang. Gi. Bawi.
There's a foul. There's number 43.
You are.
Fourth personal foul.
You are. You are fourth pa di ay.
Doon, lagi na mo.
Ano seconds to shoot. Another foul. Wala pa. Isa rin pa. Isa. 13 foul. Wait ko na, wait. Nag-hatol ka rin tari. Isa, wait. Abot na, sabot na, may hatol. Abot na, sarili na. Abot na mo. Tingnan pa na Team Mellow.
Daghan na sila nanulod tayo. Sama po, naisulod na lang ba sila pananday?
Riding for penalty, riding for penalty.
Lipat-lipat ang tinadali nyo ba? Lipat-lipat ba?
Sure lang dong. For technical na dong. Ah!
Backdoor nyo. Time out. Tramas sila.
Nakaisa.
36-44.
Wala.
Bukoy mo ha. Lipat tinadali nyo ba?
Sabi, sab. Nakaisa. Lakay, gusto lakay. Remaining time last 3 minutes and 44 seconds.
Last
Final quarter,
3.
final quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. On the 5, here's now from downtown.
Ikaw pa to, Kuya M.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds na lang, oh.
Out the 5. Basket.
Alam na. Nasotin.
Basket, basket. Basket, basket.
Alam na. Pasabot. Wala na to. Tingong guman.
Basket na, basket.
Ubus mo mula na ano?
Nabuya na mula magtingog.
Dahil sa foul. Ang foul lagi sila kay gusto niyo upat o paparon.
Nanay, gwapo kay pagka-foul. Amin agad. Ako to.
First personal foul, second team foul. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Plus 2 minutes.
1 seconds to work. Ito now.
Taas ang Kuya Queen ka, oy.
Save ball, bench niya, bench. Bench. Save ball na, save ball. 1 seconds to work. Ito now.
Ay, Kuya M! Ala, to. Tauban na sila. Ay! Nice! Ay, di pa dagan-dagan ang bola, ha? Ay! Shot! Nice! Ay, manguha pa day foul. Manguha pa di ay og foul.
Version number 54. I'm sorry. It's a wait. Ano ba?
Relax lang ba, relax.
Jersey number 8 guys. Jersey number 8.
54 yan. Say mo sa akin ay foul.
Relax na kay unahan sa nato ni. Kasi kami pro na muna player na. Remaining time last 1 minute and 59 seconds.
Plus 1 and 59. Yes, nice one. 49-36.
Let's put it now, but hold on. Bang, bang, bang! Remaining time last 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Na, kumpiyansa mo. Kumpiyansa mo, kumpiyansa.
Under steal. Remaining time last 1 minute and 20 seconds to shoot. Last 1 minute.
Kaduha po daw siya.
30 foul, second personal foul.
Ano pa doon yung...
We make that 62 seconds.
Ungot siguro yun.
Last 62 seconds. Where's the foul? Jersey number 38. Wait lang. First personal foul. 1 point.
Sila kaya hindi ka turnover.
9 points deep.
Iya man, iya.
40, 49. Wala.
Wala na lang.
Uy, walo na lang ang kumpiyansa mo!
Last 50 seconds. 40 seconds to shoot. That's 45 seconds. That's 10 seconds to shoot. That's 40 seconds. That's 33 seconds. That's 28 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. That's 20 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Out of that.
Na!
Bang, bang, bang.
Karon pa ka ning
That's
tres.
11 seconds.
Ay, karon pa ning tres ang manong.
That's 5 seconds.
52, 41.
And
Congrats!
the voting winner, he
Final score, 52, 41.
Final score. 52, 41.